Hi, this is Vandita. I am the founder of TI, the Image Academy. TI, the Image Academy is located at Hiranandani Powai. With me, I have these two beautiful ladies here. This is Kamakshi and this is Titli here. They both have learned makeup from TI, the Image Academy, and today Kamakshi is going to take us through the steps of makeup, which she has already showcased on Titli, and she will just be demonstrating the products and the tools. So enjoy. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Kamakshi and I am training to become a makeup artist with TIA, the Image Academy. And today I will be showcasing the makeup which I have already done on her. So we will start with her skin tone. When we look at her, I see that she is a neutral. She has a neutral undertone. So both warm and cool colors will suit her. So we start with the primer. The primer is used to even out her face. So we take the brush and we apply primer all over her face in light feathery strokes. After the primer, we use the foundation. Now, since she is a neutral shade, both cool and warm foundations will suit her, or even a mixture can be applied. Instead of using a foundation, we can also use a BB cream, which has become a big fad now in the market. After that, we take the brush and we apply the BB cream or the foundation with feathery strokes all over her face. Now, to set the foundation, we use this is called the translucent powder, which we use a fluffy brush and we dust it all over her face so that it sets the foundation and the primer. Now we will move on to her eyes. Now I have taken a brown eyebrow pencil and I have filled her brows so that they look full. Then I have taken a black eyeliner and I have lined her eyes and given her a little winged look. After that, I have taken the kajal and I have lined her waterline to give her a more of a Indian look. And then we use the mascara. I have taken the mascara and I have put a little on the top lashes and also on the bottom lashes. Now the eye look is finished. Now we move on to the cheeks. For the cheeks, I have used a blush and I have put it on her cheek so that it gives her a more contoured look. And then we move on to the lips. Before applying the lipstick or lip gloss, I have taken a lip balm and I have applied it on her lips so that they become moist. After that, I have taken the lipstick from this palette, and I have applied it on her lips with the help of a lip brush. And after that, I have taken the lip gloss and I have applied it on her lips and I have given her a little sheer look because this is a day look. So this completes her look, and at TI, the Image Academy, there are 4 rules to makeup, which I have learned here, that less is always more. Blend, 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 and you need to build color step by step, and the most important is the makeup removal. This is me, Kamakshi, signing off from TI, the Image Academy. Thank you.